Hola, zdravo, como salud. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a very powerful DIY teeth whitener. And stay till the end to see a before and after. Alright my love, so before we start I just wanted to remind you to give this video a big thumbs up letting me know you want to see more DIYs and beauty hacks like this, and don't forget to subscribe and turn those notifications on so you never miss a video since I do upload without a schedule. So to start off with this amazing at-home DIY teeth whitening mixture, you'll only be needing 2 ingredients, and strawberries is one of the keys because of its high malic acid content, which I'll describe later in the video. You're also going to need some simple plain baking soda. You can buy this for a few cents at any store, and I will explain its benefits in a few. Also, everything you want to know will be listed in the description below. Now for our teeth whitener, you're only going to be needing 1 strawberry because 1 strawberry contains enough malic acid to remove any stain, while the seeds can work as exfoliators to get rid of yellowness, staining, plaque, and tartar. Now once you've picked the perfect strawberry, which is not too ripe and not too mushy, just the perfect red, you want to make sure you wash it to get rid of any harmful pesticides. Just dry it off and we're on to the next step. Now that our strawberry is all nice and clean, what we have to do is take off the stem. I use my nail, or you can just cut it with a knife. A quick little strawberry hack is if you want to take the stem out, all you have to do is push into the stem with your nail. It's never too long and you can just take it out without cutting too much of the good stuff. Now that we're done prepping, it's finally time to make the mixture. So all you're going to need is a little bowl, a fork, and that strawberry for now to just mash and mush it up. This is going to activate the malic acid. It's also going to extract all of the juice and acidic properties of that strawberry while still keeping the nutrients. Once it starts looking more liquidy, it's time for the baking soda. So you're going to need a good tablespoon of baking soda. What the baking soda is going to do is work as the whitening agent. So it's way less harsh than any whitening strips, but it works just as strong. It might not taste the best, but it really goes deep into your teeth to take out any long stains and yellowness by absorbing all of those colors. So mixed with the strawberry, it activates a very strong, powerful teeth whitener. So you just want to stir that in until it gets super foamy. What can I do to make you? Now that everything's mixed in there really good, it should look like this, and it's time to apply it to your teeth. So you want to use some sort of disposable toothbrush because the seeds will get stuck in that toothbrush, and you want to set your timer for 10 minutes because this is a 10-minute process. First you want to brush for 5 minutes and then you want to let it sit for 5 minutes. Make sure you have a little towel or a napkin because it will get a little messy. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. Now, just a disclaimer, it will cause you to salivate and you'll have a lot of extra saliva, so do this over a sink or keep a bowl present. Then you just want to keep the mixture on your teeth and let it soak in for about 5 minutes. So watch some of my videos listed below, check out my blog, go on your phone, just wait for 5 minutes. And ta-da! Now I wanted to add, I tried this every day for 3 days, and here is my before and after, hence why I have 2 different shirts. Alright, my loves, that was my video. Don't forget to comment down below letting me know how it worked for you, or just letting me know what you want to see next, sending me positive vibes. And my subscriber shout out for this week goes to Andrea Inache. Thank you for subscribing, turning your notifications on, and leaving me a comment. I love you too, and I love all of my subscribers. Thank you so much. Comment below once you turn on your notifications so I can shout you out next. I hope to shout out all of you, and thank you again. I'll see you soon.
We still got a few more days.